Hey, welcome and good afternoon, traders. This is Trader Tim from eMiniMind.com. Today's Monday, December 12th, 2016. Last week, we experienced our discussion coming to fruition, the discussion we've been having for the last couple of weeks, in that the market has broken out of the recent highs, then it consolidated, and then we broke out again up to the negative 23% target. You can really see that on the weekly chart here, the 50% retracement drawn back in the end of December, or end of October rather, when we traded into it right around the election, gapped up and started to take off from there. And then aside from the last 2 weeks where we had the consolidation right around highs, it's been a move straight up. Today is really the first day where we've seen some signs of a reversal, and that expected as we approach and then trade through now negative 23% target. So we can draw up the next 50% retracement. That is a 2169s, and we'll see if we go a little bit higher here or if we roll over. You know, there's still about 2 more weeks until the Christmas holiday, and we typically see a run-up Santa Claus rally, as I've been mentioning a number of times, and that's, exactly what we've seen. So just as in years past, things are playing out just about to the letter of what we've been talking about here at eMiniMind. And so we'll see if we roll over here. It's possible, even if we dip below today's low tomorrow, that we move sideways at the negative 23% target. We could go a little bit higher. The 61.8 is way up here at 23.20. So we would have a ways to go to get to that kind of second tier target. Looking at the week though, tomorrow not a ton on the table, but Wednesday, boy, huge day. FOMC meeting announcement, retail sales, PPI, industrial production. So a lot of news coming out on Wednesday. Thursday, the news continues, jobless claims, CPI, and then Friday, housing starts, along with the quadruple witching. So rollover being last Thursday, Friday, and then this week being the third Friday, the 16th here coming up, will be the expiration. So it could be a strange week. Always, between futures rollover and expiration, things are always a little bit quirky. So just be cautious, but keep your eye on those news announcements as well. If we zoom in a little bit more to today, we can see from highs to lows of the day, right at about the end of the day, we came up to the 50% retracement. It started to sell off, so we'll see if the overnight can take us down, or at least keep us below the 2252, and we'll look for tomorrow, if we are below 2252, take us down to the 2243 target. We'll look to see if we can gap down on the open. Sometimes when we get these scenarios where we have a spinning top at highs, anytime we're at highs, a gap down is usually a move that's a little bit more sustainable versus a gap down at lows. So we'll see if that turns into anything, or if we just form sort of a sideways consolidation, maybe dipping in a little bit and then kind of hovering maybe between the 2240 and the 2260 level, somewhere in that range. So we'll be doing a live trading tomorrow morning in the trading room, eMiniMind.com/VIP, if you want to check that out. And if you have other questions specific to your trading, feel free to shoot me an email, tim@eMiniMind.com. And if you want more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hope everyone has a great week, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning.